Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here with Grace again, and we had so much fun making the fluffy unicorn slime that we are actually going to also try and make mermaid slime. This one's supposed to be a lot easier to make, but it does have a little bit more detailed instructions for us to use. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing it tells us to do is to empty an entire bottle of blue glitter glue into the bowl. So we're going to do that first. And then it says to add a little bit, it says green, we don't have green, so we're going to use purple glitter glue.
Oh, come out.
Just get as much as you can. And then it says to set the purple side for another product. And then we're going to mix these two together after we do this. Sorry if that's loud. I don't know how you can hear it. That's good, I think. Or we can do that. That works too.
Waste not, will not.
Now I'm going to add a little bit of purple in here.
This is a messy process.
It actually said this one wasn't messy, so it's interesting that this is actually pretty messy.
Probably for me, because I'm me.
Yeah, that's true. It said it wasn't messy, but I guess that means for some people, not for all people.
Not for me.
Now, I'm doing this probably the hardest way I could do it, just because I don't want to open this entire thing and get it all over the place.
Like me.
Yeah, like Grace. I think that's all of the purple I'm going to add. So the next thing we have to do is add half a teaspoon, or half a tablespoon of baking soda. I'll do it, Grace, because your hands are covered in glue. Try not to spill that while we're doing this. So half a tablespoon. I think I have a half tablespoon. No, I have a half teaspoon, dang. Okay. So I'm going to be really careful with this because Grace has got some glitter in the other one. I think that's about half. So I'm going to put that in, and then I'm going to mix these together. Or Grace is going to mix these together because she got glue all over the spoon. So Grace is going to mix the glue and stuff together. And then we can add 1 tablespoon of water. I'm just going to get some water in this cup and add it. So give me just a second. I think that's probably about a tablespoon of water. So we're going to add that in. And then it said we can add our chunky glitter. So I'm going to put Grace's got gold glitter, so I'm going to mix that in first. And then I got this turquoise glitter, so I'm actually going to open this and put it in. Very, very carefully. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to try not to get it like everywhere, even though I probably will. It's very, very difficult to open these things, at least for me. There we go. Now I'm going to add quite a bit of this because it is Mermaid.
Oh, it's got to be sparkly.
It's got to be as sparkly as possible. I guess we're just going to get glue on our hands. It's cool.
Yep.
So I'm going to mix that all in.
I'm just going to get this off my parents' table.
This looks incredibly pretty right now, you guys. I don't know how well you can see that, but look at that sparkle.
What is that? Wow.
So after we've done that, we are going to add in contact solution, which how much was it? We're going to look back and see how much contact. It's 1.5 tablespoons. So Grace is going to add 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. That was their fridge.
Yes, it was. And that was your phone.
Yes, all the noises. Now we're starting to get some formation here. You start out while I start doing the next thing.
Whoa,
Let's see.
it's so slime. Look. It's so awesome.
Once we've done that, let's see.
That is hard.
We've made it quite sticky with the contact solution.
And hard.
I need to take my ring off again if I'm going to be playing with this because I don't want this on my ring.
That's really hard.
We've made it really, really hard, so it's not stretchy at all. I think we used too much contact solution.
We did what it said.
So I don't really know.
I mean, it's slime.
Yeah, it's just not stretchy, but it looks pretty. Like, look at that.
Maybe if we knead it.
Kneading it's going to make it more like that, I think.
Oh.
It looks
Not
pretty though.
stretchy.
You just need to not add quite as much contact solution, but look how pretty this is, you guys. I would totally try and make this one again. Like, look at that. It looks so pretty. Like, You know what? I don't even mind this, you guys, because it doesn't stick to my hands so bad. I'm cool with this. Like, you know what? This is okay. We didn't screw this up for us. Now, if you're a kid and you want it really stretchy, yeah, you'd probably hate this. But I mean, I think this is stretchy enough for me. Because look at that. This is actually fairly entertaining. Like, I like it. We are getting glitter all over our hands and everything else. But you know what? It's fun. As far as I can see, that's all we were supposed to do on this one. So yeah, look how pretty it is though. Let me go get the camera so you guys can get a close-up. I'm going to get a close-up shot of this after I wash the glitter off my hands. Look at this, you guys. Look how sparkly it is. It isn't very stretchy, but like that's okay. I mean, considering we put so much contact solution, I think it has a decent stretch, and it looks like a mermaid tail. Like, I feel like this has more of the texture of a mermaid's tail than if we had made it stretchier. I think it's starting to get stretchy. This stuff forms much better if you wait a few minutes, you guys. I think we're learning that. It looks like a mermaid tail. And it pops. It's quite fun. Okay guys, so we really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We might actually try this again, try to get it stickier. We did not make it very sticky, but it is quite fun. Like, I kind of like the texture. But if you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye guys! So guys, we decided to make like a little bit more because Grace wanted some stickier slime.
And it is.
And we just mixed pink, purple, and some more blue with some more of
really cool color.
the chunky glitter. And we actually really like how it looks. Like, it still looks mermaidy.
And it's really
stretchy, so it's so cool.
But we didn't add as much contact solution.
We added a lot less contact solution in this one, so that's why it's so sticky.
This and then
yeah, that one's a little more like a rock, which I kind of like because it doesn't stick to me.
It doesn't
stick. But Grace wanted a
there's
stickier slime.
This and this.
So if you're a kid and you want stickier slime, a lot less contact solution. You need to add it a lot more gradually than we did the first time. We just kind of went all in the first time. But yeah, we just wanted to show you how cool this looked because it looks really pretty. Like, look at that on close up. Let me see if I can focus that. See all those sparkle and stuff in it? Like, it looks amazing.